Good morning guys, today I would like to show you how to hide the developer options on Android 16. So at first unroll the list of all apps and go to settings. Then find and select system, reach developer options, and now once you want to turn it off, all you have to do is to unmark the stop indicator. Tap on reset, restart, and wait till your phone is rebooted. And that's it. Just unlock your device and use it smoothly. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.